Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Bosch refrigerator won't stop beeping. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. In this case, you might be wondering how do you fix this issue here, which in this case, your Bosch refrigerator is not actually stop beeping here. Now, in this case, if your refrigerator won't stop beeping, here's what you need to do. So first is you need to check the door. So and this is the most first thing that you might want to first check, because in this case this is the most common cause. Now in this case you want to make sure that it's actually fully closed and nothing inside is blocking it. Now in this case, even small items that can stop the door from shutting properly, which will trigger the beeping. Now in this case, make sure it's fully closed and you hear that in this case that small snap, or in this case there's that certain feeling that when you close the door itself. So make sure it's actually closed. Now next that you want to do here is you want to take a look at your door seals. Now in this case, if they're dirty or in this case damaged, so by the way, what I'm talking about is the door seals that I'm currently highlighting on the Bosch refrigerator right now, so you need to check that. Now, in this case, you might want to basically see if they're dirty or damaged. So the door might not seal tightly. So wipe them with clean and check for any signs of wear, as a loose seal can also cause the fridge to beep. Now, also another reason that could make the Bosch refrigerator here beep is because of temperature issues. Now if the fridge, in this case if the freezer, or in this case fridge, gets too warm, it may start beeping. Double check the temperature settings, and if it's been opened a lot recently filled, give it time to cool down. So also you might want to do a quick reset here. So in order for you to do a quick reset here, what you need to do is you need to basically unplug your refrigerator here and leave it like for 5 minutes. Now in this case, after 5 minutes, you want to plug it back in and see if that actually solves your issue. Now sometimes going a soft reset here can solve a lot of issues, so in this case, go ahead and try that. Now, if the beeping continues, it might be due to a faulty sensor. Either the door sensor or the temperature sensor might be malfunctioning here. In that case, it's best to contact Bosch customer service or a technician to take a look. But in this case, that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.